Co-creation is much more than just the development. It's actually how we embrace the value chain, because we're much more than just an R&D company. We also focus on the end product.
Co-creation at Eltwin is an engineering discipline. It is not something new. We've been co-creating with customers for the entire lifetime of the company. As normal engineering goes, you can have very fast, you can have perfect, or you can have very cheap, but often you cannot have all three. And for each customer, for each product, we need to find the compromise within those three.
First of all, we need to understand your needs, your demands, and what drives this product to the market.
Sometimes we can actually get to a better product or a cheaper product, or a product that goes faster into market by adjusting, by tuning, by challenging the decisions and talk about, again, the compromise. Where do we find the best compromise for your product?
But now in this concept phase, in design of the concept, this is where we bring our technical key account managers and technical lead engineers into this equation. Is this the right way to go, or do we need to adapt certain features, certain functionality? This is supported by a stage gate model. And this frames the exact way of designing a product. Take out the risk for you as a customer.
As electrical engineering goes, you need to prototype. We are basing our prototypes on our own production line. By doing a prototyping process that involves production at a very early stage, we also get the feedback from production at a very early stage.
We design OEM products, so it's normally fitted into an end customer's product. So the faster and the more efficient we can support customers with prototyping, the better they can embed it into their product.
We need the documentation as a stored memory of what's been going on in the process. We need to, at any time, be able to verify and show that the individual product is safe and approved.
When we bring a product to the market, together with you as a customer, we would like the best possible support in the future.
It needs to be to a high standard, because it is often where we find the last details that needs adjustment.
The maintenance of a product is just as important. There will be optimization that we need to do. There will be product or components that are obsolete or need to be changed.
Our production in Eltwin is an integrated part of the company. It's the heart of the company. We integrate production within the co-creation, and that is something that I believe we must do. It is not just soldering components to a board. It is having the right mounting process that ensures that vibration is not a problem, that the very high currents can actually flow, that the products will survive in the field for 15, 20 years.
Some people see that having a production is the final step, that's the end goal. But actually, this is where co-creation actually starts to build up, because this is now where we need market information. The lessons that the market introduction can give us will lead to an even better product at the end of the day. It also goes hand in hand with supply chain and new products or new components brought to the market. And we would like to unfold the potential of having a new power component or a new way of designing it to our customers. Support our customers with either a cost down or a added feature, because we have a close collaboration with our suppliers. Co-creation is not just one thing. Co-creation is where we tap into the value chain from both sides.